the more I play car parking multiplayer too, it's the more that I find new and interesting things, and also problems with these new things. The topic of today's video is SuperChargers. They have added a whole bundle of SuperChargers, but the question is, are they any good or what we hoped for? Today we will test the highest grade of these SuperChargers and see if we have that level of detail and immersion that we have been looking for in CPM1. I will also compare the sound of the stock Challenger from CPM1 just to see the differences. But first, let me show you guys the upgrades and the dyno. As you can see, I have made an engine swap and added the forged supercharger with it. This one gives out the most amount of boost. There are a couple other superchargers there to install for other engines, but I will be using this one with the highest amount of boost. Now let's give it a crank on the dyno test. I really wish there was an option to change how loud the sounds are for superchargers and turbos alike, or to change the type of whine. For a quick comparison, this is what the sound of the stock Challenger is in CPM1. Now let's fully test the one in CPM2. Let me know what you guys think about the current state of the superchargers and what can be changed. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.